Okay.
Nothing looks disturbed.
Uh-huh.
I don't really know what's going on.
I'm not sure either.
So, here's the thing. They think you may be drinking. I can smell alcohol on you. So we can't let you drive the car. Chief's on his way in. We'll check you out, alright?
Alright.
So, as you were walking up, you were staggering a little bit.
I got a leg injury.
Huh?
I have a leg injury.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, we got called over here. They said you were stumbling, slurring speech, so our sergeant wants the medics to come check you out. That's what we're waiting on right now.
No. Because obviously, you know, either you're having a medical issue or possibly you've been drinking. And either way, can't be driving a car right now, right? You know that.
Henry Wales, Ohio, 035, 035, 843, White James, Virginia.
If it's intoxication or it's a medical issue.
Okay.
He said he has a leg injury, so.
Okay, where's the one?
Okay. Okay.
When they got this water box,
So we were in bed hall and dispatch had us call. These homeowners requested their house to be checked because there was some sort of an open door. He came out. I guess he was stumbling, slurring his speech, was in the house for 20 minutes, came out, stood in the middle of the road just staring at him. So they called dispatch back and said, I think he's intoxicated. So we flew over here. He said he has a leg injury. That's what he told us.
My first contact with him, I could
You could smell the
alcohol.
booze. Yeah.
Okay, it's pretty strong.
You guys don't have a PDT on him, do you?
Northwood is supposedly around. They might have one, but yeah, you can smell the booze. And then I was on the phone with Schmidlin because I called him. I'm like, hey, I'm letting you know about this. He was, I don't know what you two were talking about, but he darted back off and got in the car, and we had to stop him from pulling
Just
off.
telling me he checked the house, everything's okay, and then
So-
he hopped in the car, so.
You guys have body cams, right?
Correct.
Because I don't have anything on.
Yeah, yeah,
Can we go talk to the homeowners?
We're rolling, and we talked to the homeowners, and that's what they told. That's the first thing they told us when we got here. Because he was talking to the wife, we talked to the husband. So,
What's going on, boss? Hey, you got a question for you. You don't have PDTs, do you?
What's that?
Do you have any PDTs?
We might have one at the station. I don't have one on me.
Can you say it again, what you just told me? Because I don't have a body cam.
No, you're fine. But he's not active. He's just slow in his talking, which is not correct. And his pupils are dilated. We're getting the rest of his vitals. He doesn't want to go to the hospital. He just said that his calf is sore. But just the way he's responding, he's definitely slower than normal. This is not. So we're getting the rest of his vitals.
Okay.
He's answering everything appropriately for us.
Okay.
So I mean, I can't force him to go, but
Clearville for Green Valley.
something's
Yeah.
So
All right.
she's getting a blood sugar.
Don't worry about it, trying to cause me trouble. I just, when my door was open, dude, I didn't know if there were people in my house or if they robbed my truck, and I never wanted to cause any problems.
Don't worry about it, man. It's not you.
I'm sorry.
Were you guys called down to handle for conflict of interest reasons?
we were called, and then they said you guys were en route too. So,
Yeah, we were told to come back you guys up. Sir,
well, we were on another call when they started telling us.
Is Wallbridge
call in.
handling their own issue here? Yeah, okay. We're just here for... Got it.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, because I was on a call running plates, and they're telling us to call in urgently. So he had called.
Okay.
Yeah, I think they just wanted multiple agencies here just in case. So it's not just one set of eyes on it.
So was he still coming?
They said his eyes were dilated.
Yeah, you can smell the
Can you?
And he's not making direct contact with us, but he's talking because I think he's just trying to.
I'm gonna go at... You guys didn't have a PBT on you? No. I'm gonna assume. Anyone know? I'm assuming he's called Ken.
Yeah, Ken and Hummer are involved.
Okay. I'm gonna go talk to him quick.
The one time I got that he switched how he was talking and wouldn't say a whole lot. Blood sugar's 102, so
Yeah, good or bad?
yeah, that's good. That's so it's not a problem.
Did you want OSP to come out?
No, I don't need OSB.
Okay, yeah. He said no, so yep, right. Sorry about you. All right, bye.
Check him out. Sounds like vitals are all good. You can smell the things on him. Eyes are dilated. Northwood's here. Bob Miller's here. I got Scott to get the caller's information so we can do our report on this. But everyone's here. So it's not looking good though. I'm assuming that's what Bob said. So, and I told him Hummer has been notified too. So I don't know if he's coming out or what. But, yeah.
He said that he's probably gonna take him back up in that cruiser. I told him I'd drive his personal back to the station if somebody could give me a ride back to get my cruiser. That'd be great.
I can't let you go, dude.
Are you the first one here? Yeah.
I was just clear. I'm leaving.
Man, that's a sick.
Yeah, I know. It's par for the week for Lake Township this week, though.
It's been a bad week. Good then? We good?
I was gonna say we had everything.
Okay. All right.
You guys are done with us right now.
All right, Mike, we're gonna go back to the station. All right. Hop in the passenger seat.
Are they taking his gun and stuff from him?
Yeah, the first contact I had with him, I intentionally walked so the wind was blowing after him. And straight through.
I literally just left.
Okay.
It wasn't walking.
Yep, I'll follow you up there.
Yeah,
You guys want to follow me then?
Or a semi-fire.
And I follow him up with and be right back.
Homer said we're good to get out of here for Schmidland. Since Bob's got control.
Doesn't do anything stupid at the station.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.